Atha Yoga Anushasanam. Namaste. Welcome to Unravel the Thread, a podcast for people who want to apply the Yoga Sutras to yoga practice and to life today. Available online at simple-yoga.org, where you can also find videos for practice, dozens of articles, videos for chanting, and guided meditations to enrich your practice. I am Ruben Vasquez, your companion on this journey of exploration. I am grateful for your comments and questions. It really makes my day to know that Unravel the Thread is making a difference in your practice and in your life. This podcast presents excerpts from the book Unravel the Thread, the complete guide for living the Yoga Sutras today. If you love the podcast and want to support my work as an independent content creator, on the simple-yoga.org website you can easily donate to keep the podcast going. On today's episode, we continue our exploration of Chapter 4 of the Yoga Sutra with Sutra number 22, that says, "When the ways of being are stilled, individual awareness experiences its fundamental nature as embodied consciousness." Deepening the exploration of the nature of existence, awareness, and the relationship, this sutra indicates the core idea in the Yoga Sutra presented in Sutras 1.3 and 1.4. Your individual sense of being can identify with your ways of being or with its natural state, the state of yoga, consciousness. There are many models of the relationship between nature and consciousness. One predominant perspective states that there is a fundamental split between consciousness and nature, or between spirit and body. Other viewpoints maintain that the world is just a materiality, and thus only what can be explained in terms of observable phenomena is real. Examining your own perspective on the nature of the relationship between your sense of aliveness and your experiences provides a concrete way to delve into the meaning of this sutra. Becoming aware of your assumptions can help you identify how your assumptions may be influencing your perspective and understanding. If you think that all that exists is only what can be experienced through the senses, how will that assumption influence your understanding and your actions? How do your thoughts, which have no materiality, influence your physical body and physiological processes? To what extent are your experiences only about your senses? How can your experiences of friendship, kindness, compassion, and love be explained by your current assumptions? Is it possible that you are embodied consciousness? In other words, can your physical manifestation be a vehicle for conscious awareness to experience the world? If you are embodied consciousness, are your ways of being contributing to enhancing your experience of universal consciousness? Are your ways of being detracting from your experience of universal aliveness? Another idea you may consider is that everything in existence is one organism manifesting in a myriad of forms conducive to recognizing the interconnectedness between everything that exists. Could that perspective illuminate how what appears to be coincidences may be synchronicities of countless elements coming together for a purpose? As usual, one more way of exploring the meaning of this sutra is by chanting it. You can choose to chant it in its traditional form with some of the words coming together. Chittera prati samkramaya Tadakara patao swabhuti samvedanam. Another option is to chant each word in the sutra individually. Chitte aprati sankramaya tat akara apatau swa buddhi samvedanam. Chitte aprati sankramaya tat akara apatau swa buddhi samvedanam. Chitte aprati sankramaya tat akara apatau swa buddhi samvedanam. Chitte aprati sankramaya tat akara apatau swa buddhi samvedanam. Chitte aprati sankramaya tat akara apatau swa buddhi samvedanam. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you can join me for the next episode when we will continue our exploration with Sutra 23 in Chapter 4. If Unravel the Thread is part of your day and you feel generous, I would appreciate it if you could support my work with a donation at simple-yoga.org. Thank you. And thank you also for subscribing, liking, and sharing. Remember that you can have your own copy of Unravel the Thread. Until next time, Namaste.